Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these squares. They are very easy to make. You have to use the treble or double crochet, how you call it always. Hope that you understand what I will be doing and that you try it. For these squares I will be using this yarn, this kind of yarn. You have written here the website from where you can get it. We start by making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go in the first chain here and we close it with a slip stitch. Now here in the middle here we start with 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. And here in the middle we have to make 2 trebles. We start with 2 trebles, 3 chains and 2 trebles or 2 double crochet. Depends how you call them, how you say it. In English treble, in American double crochet. You make 2, with the chains are 3. 2 chains and you make another group of 3. 1, 2 and 3, another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and you make another group of 3. 1, 2 and 3, another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and you make another group of 3. You have to make 4 groups of 3. 1, 2 and 3. You make another 2 chains, 1 and 2. You go here and you finish in the chains you started with a slip stitch. And that is the first round. Now we're going to start to do the second color. I cut the white and I with a knot here. I make them with a knot here. Now we have to start from here, from where are the chains. So we go in this one. We do a slip stitch, another one here, slip stitch, and we arrive here with a slip stitch, and we're going to start here. This I put it here so I hide it over there. 3 chains, and we make a treble or a double crochet. 2 chains and another 2 trebles here in the same place where we made the chains before. 1 and 2. Now we're going to make a treble on these 3. The first one you make it here. You start the first one from here. We make a treble on each treble. 1, 2 and 3. We arrived here where we have the chains. Now we're going to make another 2 trebles. 1, that is the corner. 1 and 2. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and here we make another 2 trebles. 1 and 2. And we're going to do the same like we did here. A treble on each treble we have. 1, 2 and 3. Again, here we are in the corner and we do the same. 1 and 2. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 2 here. And you continue all the round like that. A treble on each treble here, 2 chains and another 2 in the corners. You continue all the round like that. The row is ready again. Now we're going to start with this color. I cut the thread as always. We have to start from here always. So we go there with a slip stitch, and we're going to start with the other color. I'm going to do the same. 3 chains, treble, Here we are at the corner. 2 chains and another 2 trebles here. 1 and 2. Now we're going to do the same. A treble on each treble. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to make 7 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're here in the corner, so we make 2 trebles or double crochet, depends how you call it, as I say always. 2 chains and another 2 trebles in the same place, in the corner here. And you continue like that. You continue all around, like we did here. A treble on each treble, and here the corners, like we did here. This row is ready too. Now we're going to start this color here. I cut the yarn and I made the other yarn. We go here. We have to start from here. We start with 3 chains. We're going to do the same now. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 trebles here in the corner. 1 and 2. 2 chains. Sorry, here 1 you have to make treble. 2 chains, 1 and 2. And another 2 trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. Now here we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, sorry. 11. So we have to make 11 trebles. 1 on each treble we have. 1, 2, or double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're in the corner, so we make 2, 1 and 2, 2 chains and another 2 in the same place. 1 and 2. And that is how you have to continue the row. Here you have 11 trebles, 2 in the corner, 2 chains and another 2. You go around and you repeat what we did here. This row is ready too. Now I'm going to start the last color, this one. I cut the thread. Now we have to start from here. So first we go there with a slip stitch. We arrive here with a slip stitch and we start with 3 chains. We're going to do the same. A treble, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 2 trebles in the same place. 1 and 2. Now here we have 15 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you have to make, you have to make like we did in the other rows. Now here you have to make 15 on top of these 15. Here 2 trebles in the corner, 2 chains and another 2 trebles. And you continue like that, 15 on these and all around. You continue all around like we did in the other rows. The difference is that here you have 15 now. And this is the final result, how it comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make. Always, as I told you, the treble, you have to do the treble. Hope that you try it.